everyone, it's Suzanne from Twinkle Lane Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to shade in this free Digi that's available over on our Facebook group. I've started with Winsor & Newton Promarkers in berry red and crimson. To begin with, you need to use the lighter shade, which in this case is the berry red. Just simply colour in every other stripe on the balloon, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what to do next. Next you'll need to take your darker shade. We've used a crimson red and we're going around the outline of each of the red stripes. You'll need to decide which side the sun is shining on to create more shade on one side than on the other. Once you've finished putting down all your shading, you will then need to take the lighter colour that you've used, in this case we've used berry red, and go back over all the stripes. This will blend all the alcohol based markers in together, still leaving the shading, but it's got a more softer edge to it. Once you've finished shading in the reds, you'll then need to pick two other colours for the alternative stripes. We've used pinks, using pink carnation and fuchsia pink. Just like the reds, you lay the lightest colour down first, in this case carnation pink, and then go over with the darker pink for the shading, the fuchsia pink in this case, and blend it all in together just like we did before. For the basket, I'm just using three different Promarker colours, tan, caramel and cocoa to shade in. Once you've finished with your chosen alcohol based markers, I then like to go in with coloured pencils. I use a WH Smith watercolour pencil because I find the nibs much softer and easier to blend. So I'm just going round where I've put the shading in with the Promarkers and blending it in slightly using a circular motion and also a crosshatch motion. I like to choose just a slightly darker shade than what I've used with the Promarkers. This gives it a little bit more depth. Just continue shading with the pencils. Try different strokes and different pencil pressures. This will give you more depth to the Digi stamp. I've used a Uniball silver gel pen to finish off the little hearts and the circles. I'm also going to be using a white Uniball gel pen just to give some highlights to the balloon.